Okay, so here we are, the last and final situation of our 3 solution situations in our last example. We did we did blue, we did purple, let's go orange. So again, starting off with any distribution, that -2 times x, -2 times 3. Here, keep in mind, there is that -1 outside of those parentheses for me to distribute. So -2x minus 6. Now at this point, you might be able to notice what's going on here, and you might be able to make a conclusion here. But I'm just going to keep going. So again, trying to get all my x's on one side by adding that -2x to both sides. -2x plus x cancels out. Same thing. And this time, I'm left with -6 equals -6, which is a true statement, which is different from no solutions. A false statement is no solution, but a true statement means that there is an infinite number of solutions. Meaning that any number will work in this equation. And that makes sense because if you look at the equation that we had as soon as we did the distribution, -2x minus 6 is equal to -2x minus 6. That's the same exact thing on both sides. So yeah, it's always going to be true no matter what value you put into x because it's the same exact thing on both sides. So any number that you plug into that equation will give you a true statement, meaning that it's a solution. So our third and final situation is infinite solutions. An infinite number of solutions. And this happens when you end up with a number that is equal to a number, a true statement like we said. And in this situation, just like the other one, the variables might cancel out. So just watch out for those weird situations and make sure that you remember to make a conclusion. Having the answer of -6 equals -6 isn't enough. You need to conclude that that means no solutions. Having the conclusion 12 is not equal to 11 is not enough. You need to make the conclusion that that means there are no solutions. So keep that in mind while you're looking at those homework problems or practice problems.